Hello students, today we are going to discuss about mixtures. In previous classes we have discussed about elements and compounds, and we know elements and compounds are pure substances. And today what we are going to discuss, mixture is an impure substance, and we know substances are of two types: pure substances and impure substances. Pure substances also two types: elements and compounds, and impure substances is mixture. A mixture is an impure substance, that means that not in pure form. Some things are added in that substance, that is impure substance, and this is formed by the particles of two or more elements or compounds. In a mixture, two or more elements or compounds are mixed together in any proportion by mechanically. Mechanically means using different tools or different instruments, we can mix together different elements or compounds in any proportion. That means not in fixed proportion. We can take any amount of any compound, any amount of any elements, and we can mix together. That is mixture. And in a mixture, the elements or compounds, the components of that mixture, keep their original properties. They don't lose their original properties. They keep their original properties or retain their original properties. Okay, first thing, mixture is an impure substance, and mixture is formed when particles of two or more elements or compound mechanically, means using of different tools, we can mix together in any proportion, means any amount of any elements or compounds. If we mix together, that form a mixture. And in a mixture, the components don't lose their original properties. They have their original properties. Some examples of mixtures are blood, tea, cold drink, milk, air. And mixture are present in three forms also. In solid also we can get a mixture, in liquid form of mixture also we can get, and gaseous form also. So an example of mixture is soil. Soil is a mixture of sand, clay, and various salts and remains of plants and animals. We know the fallen leaves are mixed with soil. So soil is also a mixture of plants and animals also, because animals, after death of animals, the dead body of animals, we put together in soil underground, then they mix together after some times. So in this way, soil is a mixture of sand, clay, and various salts and remains of plants and animals. Next one, sea water. Sea water, that means that must be water is there. Not only water, but several salts also present in sea water, and several salts dissolve in water, that is sea water, which we are found in sea or ocean. So sea water is also a mixture of several salts dissolved in it. Air. In our atmosphere, air is present, and air is also a mixture of several gases. We know which gases are present in atmosphere, in air: oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, water vapor, and many more gases are present. So air is also a mixture of several gases. Properties of mixtures. Which properties help us to know what is mixture and identity of a mixture we can know from it. So first one, in a mixture the components means elements or compounds what present in that mixture, that is components so that are mixed mechanically, not in chemically but mechanically, in any ratio or proportion, means in any amount of elements, any amounts of compounds we can take in a mixture, but in compound there must be in fixed proportion, but in mixture any ratio or proportion of components are mixed mechanically which form a mixture. The second one, the individual components of a mixture retain their original properties. That means the components, maybe that is element or compound, they keep their original properties. They don't lose their original properties. That means the identification of elements we can do it easily because they don't lose their original properties. The identity of elements and compounds is not changed in a mixture. Third one, the components of a mixture can be separated by simple physical processes. The components of a mixture, that may be elements or compounds, we can easily separate by different simple physical processes like winnowing, sieving, filtration, evaporation, and etc. So what is winnowing? Winnowing is a process which helps us to separate light solid substance from heavier ones by using wind. And this is the winnowing process. By the help of wind, the light solid substances we can separate from the heavier ones. This is winnowing process. Okay, this is a physical process. Next one, sieving process. Sieving process means using of a sieve we can separate undesirable components in a solid mixtures. If there is a mixture of solid substances, we can easily separate the undesirable components. That is sieving process by the use of sieve. This is sieving process. Okay, next one, what is that? Sieving process, then filtration. By using filter paper, we can filtrate the components. That is filtration process. Next one, evaporation. Evaporation means by the process of evaporation means by supplying heat. Boiling takes place and some liquids are evaporated. In this way we can separate the components of a mixture. So these are some simple physical processes by which we can separate the components of a mixture. And fourth one, formation of mixtures does not involve any energy exchange. During formation of mixtures, there is energy absorbed or energy evolved not takes place. Does not take place during formation of mixtures. And fifth one, that is last one, mixtures can be heterogeneous or homogeneous. Heterogeneous means if that is not distributed uniformly throughout the mixture, that is heterogeneous. And homogeneous means uniformly distributed throughout the mixture, that is homogeneous. In the next class we will discuss about types of mixtures, that is heterogeneous and homogeneous. Okay, thank you.